Welcome to the Bad Rap Tutorial Series 202, Designing in the Template. Now that we understand how the template layers work, it's time to get into designing the vehicle wrap. Before we get started, there are a few items of prep work we should make to the template that are good practice to incorporate into your design workflow. It only takes a minute, but it is worth it to speed up your productivity, especially when it comes time to prepare the files for printing. Leveling the vehicle is easy to do using the crop tool. After selecting the crop tool, hold down the command or the control key on a PC to access the level tool. Locate the lowest straight line on the vehicle to level. Once this has been done, we can save the file under an appropriate name, embed the color space that we're working in, and choose the file format to save in. Now we can start designing. Designing in the template is fairly straightforward. You create layers and place your art files in the green layer group below the red template layers. There is no need to mask anything since the template will do that for you. Let's start by adding a background color. Select the background layer and change its color to black. Instantly we can see that our body lines and curves have disappeared. This is where we would need to go into our template layers and turn on the dark design layer in the template to get those back. Sometimes this can impact the vibrance of other colors, so it may be helpful to lower the opacity of this layer. This setting will depend on your design, but remember this will not appear in the final print. It is simply here to make your ability to design on dark colors easier and your proofs with a more realistic look for your clients. Now we will add the logo to the design, a tagline, and some contact information. We can also add a little bit of background texture or shapes for some visual flair. I've sped up the video at this point to move things along, but this is how the majority of time is spent in the Bad Rap templates, designing. As you can see, the template takes care of masking out all of the parts of the vehicle that cannot be wrapped. Once we have finished, save the file, and then make a proof for your client. A good size is about 10 inches wide and about 200 pixels per inch. This allows the client to zoom into the design and see what's going on, but still keeps the resolution low enough for quick proof load times. At this point, this is where we would get our files ready for print. I'll see you then.